This is an emergency alert. Please stand by for instructions. A blizzard watch has been issued for the following areas: Alberta, Saskatchewan, Manitoba, Northern USA. Snowfall within total amounts of 15 to 25 centimeters is expected. This snowstorm will begin overnight Wednesday as a low-pressure system moves across northern USA. The snowfall accumulation may vary considerably across the warned area, as there is still uncertainty on where the heaviest band of snow will occur. Travel may be challenging, particularly along the Trans-Canada Highway to Alberta and Regina. The snowfall will move west to east starting Thursday evening. Thank you for your understanding. Stay safe.